Right, so I finished spraying the body. As I mentioned before, it's my first attempt at spraying an RC body. The colours I chose, for the top I chose Tamiya PS15 metallic red, and I chose PS23 gunmetal to back it, hopefully darkening the red. So now we're going to do the grand unpeeling. I'm hoping it's going to be okay. I did notice a couple of runs with the red when I was doing it, but we'll see how it goes. That's the underside of the gunmetal. Okay, here we go. Now I know how people feel when they actually peel this off after their spray job. This is the first time I've done it, and it looks okay. Right, there we go. Actually, for a first time, and I don't know if it's coming out on camera, but I think I might blow my own trumpet and say that is a bloody good spray job. I'm really surprised. I thought it was going to be absolute pants. Right, so there we go. I will take off these window masks, hopefully that's okay, and apply the decals, and then come back and show you what it looks like finished. Okay, so it's a bit later in the day. I apologise for the fading light, but I've finished the body, I've applied the decals, and I've also gone for the single headlamp front grille. With the kit version of this, you do get the option of the single headlamp grille or the twin headlamp grille, which is good because I will swap them around from time to time just for a bit of a change. Decals, minimal look as usual with me. Couple on the hood, bonnet, the window decals and the rear lights, and just a little one there on either side. And that's all I'm going to go for the time being. The more I'm looking at the colour, the more I'm very, very happy with it. I mentioned before that there were a couple of runs in the red. I think one was here and one was also here. Now it's finished and dry, unless you look at it under a certain light, it's barely noticeable. So again, for a first time attempt at painting a body, I'm absolutely chuffed to bits with it. Okay, now all I've got to do is build the chassis.